Looking for a DJ cartridge that delivers both power and clarity? The Audio-Technica AT-XP3 DJ combo kit promises exactly that. This kit includes the AT-XP3 DJ cartridge, already mounted on the robust AT-HS6BK headshell, giving you a ready-to-go setup that balances high fidelity with DJ-grade durability. If you're serious about your vinyl sound, this combo is worth your attention. What sets the AT-XP3 apart? It's built with VM dual magnet technology, ensuring rich, dynamic audio that captures every nuance of your tracks. The carbon fiber reinforced ABS cantilever paired with a nylon wire suspension guarantees precise tracking, so your sound stays clean and consistent, even during intense mixing sessions. DJs who prioritize sound quality will appreciate the wide frequency response from 20 to 18,000 Hz and a channel separation of 20 decibels at 1 kHz, delivering clear stereo imaging and deep bass. One user sums it up perfectly: this cartridge slams. Compared to other VM series carts, the AT-XP3 brings stronger volume, tighter dynamics, and a punchier bass response. It's an upgrade that doesn't break the bank, coming in under $50 but outperforming many pricier options. The combo's versatility shines through with compatibility for replacement styli like the AT-XP5 and AT-XP7, letting you tailor your setup as your needs evolve. If you're used to audiophile-grade sound but need something built for the rigors of live DJing, the AT-XP3 DJ is a match made in heaven. It offers sweet mids and perfectly controlled highs without harshness or sibilance. Whether you're spinning at a club or practicing at home, this combo delivers a balanced, detailed sound that keeps your audience engaged and your mixes sharp. Worth a look if you want to upgrade your vinyl setup without fuss. The headshell cartridge combo saves you time and hassle. No need to mount the cartridge yourself. Plus, the half-inch mount fits most turntables seamlessly, making it a straightforward swap that immediately enhances your sound quality. If that's you, this combo kit could be the next step to unlocking your best performance yet. Ready to experience clearer highs, deeper bass, and more dynamic range? The Audio-Technica AT-XP3 DJ combo kit offers all this and more in a compact, durable package. Try it when you're ready to bring your DJ sets to life with crisp, professional-grade audio that stands up to the demands of the stage and the club.